Extra bounce for Waqar straight away. Target for England is just under 5 runs and over, down from number 7 to 11. So there's extra responsibility up the top of the order. Nowhere in the world, Waqar. Waqar's tearing in from the pavilion end. Just bouncing short of Youns Khan. 2 outings opening the batting and now jettisoned from the tee. Single tonight, Yusuf Yohana fielding. Youns Khan's been a busy man, behind square on the offside. Excellent line from Waqar. Well, this time the stump is broken and surely Nick Knight is a goner. Shoaib Malik, the fielder, and Knight's taking those gloves off. He's fearing the worst.
A bit of hesitation, but even without the hesitation, I don't think Nick Knight would have made it. Look how far he is. He's almost 2 yards out.
Alex Stewart had a great run in the NatWest Series last summer.
That's the main man, tackling Mushtaq.
Pretty close. Maiden for Waqar, 12 for 1 England. Fine legs up in the circle now.
This is really good going here by Waqar Youns.
Just 2 runs from the last 3 overs now.
That could be because the pace is double.
That's good delivery from Waqar. Hurrying through. Michael Vaughan comfortably home. That's gone. That's a good catch. Azam Mahmood, a very, very good fielder. He's at second slip to take the catch. That's the end of Michael Vaughan.
On that off stump, a little shade away from the right-hander, pushing at that one, neatly taken in the second slip. Went at the right height.
Steaming in now.
Waqar has been in terrific form.
Very good over. It's a wicket maiden. 26 for 3.
He's coming in now for his 7th over. Shah off the mark from his 8th ball. Bit of width there, that's through the covers, that'll run away. Down the hill for 4. Fourth boundary for Trescothick. Nicely timed, and he's found the gap as well. Trescothick just missing out on the pull stroke there, but that's a better over for England. 5 from it, 33 for 3 now. It's good. It's a trademark Trescothick shot, that. Just dropping at his feet in that gully area. Chopped away down to third man off an open face. Over the top. Running away down the hill, but it won't go for 4. Yusuf Yohana running round. Trescothick scrambling back for 3. Nobody backing up. Oh, just got away with that. Upped his rate, Marcus Trescothick. That strike rate up to very nearly a runner ball, 97.4. Going to come back for 2. You heard the shout of 2 there. And it's just a strolled 2. Shah will have to get back. Gone. Run out by a direct hit there. Away Shah has gone for 62. It's been a really fine innings, and it's ended in unfortunate circumstances. Just a bit of over-eagerness on the part of Away Shah has led to his downfall.
Early call of no from Trescothick. Youns Khan really had to hit the bullseye, and he did that in the end. For the new man, Ben Holyoke.
Good pace. Oh, it's bowled him. Bowled Ben Holyoke, first ball. That took an age from the time that Holyoke got some bat on it. Went down at his feet, bounced probably 8 feet in the air, and then just trickled back onto leg stump. So Holyoke goes first ball, and Pakistan are right back in this now.
This happened. Ball going up in the air. Ben Holyoke losing the side of the ball and hitting the stumps. That's unfortunate dismissal, and delight for Waqar Youns, who was hoping that the ball would come back and hit the stumps. It did that in the end.
2 wickets in this over. One of them a run out. And Corks away first ball. Eventful over. It's 198 for 5.
Cork advancing down the track. He wants to run. Another direct hit. That looks as though it's out as well. The Pakistanis are celebrating. It looked a suicidal run. Trescothick would have been in trouble had the ball come into the keeper. But the direct hit was at the bowler's end.
Yes, either end would have been trouble. I think Trescothick would have been in trouble as well. And Dominic Cork is a long way out. That ball didn't go anywhere near far enough for a single.
Waqar round the wicket to Trescothick. Mark Elam determined to have a look and gauge the pace of this pitch. Quite outstanding display of pace bowling in the context of one-day cricket. Waqar Youns, 10 overs, 2 maidens, 2 for 20. He's led from the front all the time on this short tour of England. 202 for 6.